Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how do I log out of Wattpad on all devices. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to log out of Wattpad on all devices, what you can do is first change your password. So to do it, simply head over and open up your Wattpad application, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply tap on your profile icon that is on the top right corner of your screen. Once you're inside your profile page, here what you need to do is tap on the gear icon or settings icon that is on the top right corner once again. Now, once you're inside the settings, what you need to do is among the options, select account option right here and tap on it. Now inside account option, you will be seeing password section. Simply tap on it, and now here what you need to do is change your password by simply entering a new password, and then once that's done, simply tap on done at the top right corner of your screen, and this forces every device to log out immediately. Only the device you change the password on will stay logged in. The second method that you can do is find the device where you want to log out your Wattpad, then simply tap on the profile icon once again, head over to the settings icon on the top right corner once again, then scroll down, and here you'll find an option that says logout. Simply tap on that, and then you'll be asked to confirm it. Simply tap on logout to confirm it, and that's basically what you can do. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.